Good morning, students. Welcome to maths class. Our lesson for today is application of a percentage. Students, after watching this video, you people are able to recall the meaning of percentage, remember the symbol of percentage, review the concept of converting the fractions and the decimals, relate the concept of percentage in real life problem. So watch this video very carefully. Concept and the definition. The word percentage is an abbreviation of the Latin word per centum, which means per hundred or hundreds. A fraction with the denominator 100 is called percentage. Symbol used for percent is given to you. Write down the definition of percentage in your notebooks. Let us solve worksheet 1 together.
Let us solve worksheet 1. A property dealer charges 2% commission from a buyer or a seller of a property. If Mr. Ramlal paid rupees 20,000 as a commission for purchasing a flat, what was the value of that flat? What we have to find here? Value of the flat. Given to us is the commission which Mr. Ramlal has taken from the buyer or a seller. How can we solve? Let the value of flat is equal to rupees X. Now, commission from buyer or seller is equal to 2%. How much commission Mr. Ramlal paid? 2% of the flat. Now, according to question, 2% of X, X is the value of the flat, is equal to rupees 20,000. So 2%, 2 by 100 of means multiply into X is equal to 20,000. X is equal to rupees 20,000 multiplied by 100 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 10,000. 10,000 into 100. So what you are getting? 10 lakh. Hence, the value of flat is rupees 10 lakh. Let us solve sum number second. A 3-star hotel in Delhi charged 10% sale tax on a price of a food taken. We oftenly go for a dinner or in any hotel. When we were paying a bill is something more than our food order. That is a tax which is included in the bill. Everyone must check the bill of the food. Mr. Saxena and his family had a food for rupees 685. Find the total money he had to pay. So how much he going to pay the money? How much tax it is going to charge by a hotel is 10%. Tax charged by a hotel is 10% tax, and the amount of the food order is for rupees 685. Let us solve how much Mr. Saxena paid. Cost of food, that is equal to 685. Now, tax charge by hotel. How much it is going to charge? 10%. Amount of tax, that is equal to 10% of the cost of food, means 10 upon 100 multiply 685. 0, 0 cancel. You are going to cancel with 0 and 0. And after that, you just apply a decimal, 68 rupees 50 paisa. Why I have put it 50? Because in rupees we were having 50 paisa or 0.55 paisa. But 5 is at last. So we say 50 paisa. 68 rupees 550 paisa. Now total amount of bill. Total amount of bill, that is equal to cost of food 685 plus the amount of tax, the 68 rupees 50 paisa. So how much? Hence the cost of food is 753 rupees 50 paisa. So at last, what will be the conclusion line? Hence, who is going to pay the bill? Mr. Saxena and his family. Mr. Saxena paid rupees 753 rupees 50 paisa. Let's solve sum number 3. A painter paints for 240 square feet of a wall. If this is a 48% of the total wall surface, what is the area of the wall in square feet? This is the wall. Let this is a total wall which is to be painted, but a painter paint till here. He has just painted this much portion. This portion is 48% of the total, and the area of this portion they have given you for 240 square feet. You have to calculate the total area of the wall. Let us solve. Let total area of wall is equal to x square feet. Wall painted is equal to how much painter painted? 48%. Painter has painted 48%. Area painted is equal to 240 square feet. How much area is painted? 240 square feet. So according to question, what was the situation? 48% of x is equal to 240. 48 upon 100 of means multiply. X is equal to 240. X is equal to 240 into 100 by 48. 1, 10, 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. X is equal to 500. So what we say? Hence, the area of wall is 500 square feet.